Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our class. And our lesson for today is a continuation of our last lesson, computer networking. So, from our previous lesson, we already discussed the two classification of networks, area of coverage, and the topologies. Today, we will discuss the third classification of networks, which is wired or wireless. So first, we have wired. In wired, we have twisted pair wire. Twisted pair wire comprises of insulated copper wires twisted into pairs, meaning two wire. An example of this is the telephone lines used in our homes, used to transmit voice and data. The speed of transmission may vary between 2 million bits per second to 100 million bits per second. A bit, or short for binary digit, is either 1 or 0. So that is the twisted pair wire. Next we have the coaxial cable or coaxial cable. This is the cable used for cable television service installed in many homes. Coaxial cables are wrapped in insulated materials to protect them from the elements as well as from interference and outside signal noise to deliver clean signals. Typically used for TV signals, they are now used also to transmit data from the internet. Transmission rates from coaxial cables range between 200 million bits per second to 500 million bits per second and even more. And lastly, for wired is the fiber optics. Fiber optics, this is a cable that uses hair-like filaments of glass fibers wrapped in a protective and insulated materials. Fiber optics transmit light which travel faster compared to sound, making transmission several times faster than coaxial cable and twisted wire. Transmission through fiber optics can be as high as trillion bits per second. And next, from our third classification of networks is the wireless. In wireless, we have four. First one, we have the microwave. It is a wireless communication that utilizes point-to-point line of sight communication used to transmit data over long distances. They are satellite dishes that are installed in buildings, mountains, and towers. They are used by telecommunication entities, either private or government. Look at the picture in your screen, that is the microwave wireless communication. Next, we have wireless LAN. It is wireless local area network usually employed in coffee shops, small office, and homes to connect various digital devices equipped to receive the wireless signal. The signal from a central device, usually a wireless router, is transmitted in all directions. Next, we have cellular system. Is the wireless system used for cellular network services to deliver voice data and other signals normally intended for mobile devices. And lastly, satellite communication uses satellite stationed in space orbiting above the Earth to transmit and relay voice, data, and TV signals. A receiving antenna called the satellite dish is required to receive the signals from the satellite. And lastly, for our classification of networks is the network design. First, we have client-server. This network design is usually employed in a business environment wherein a computer server acting as a central repository of files and other data that's shared to computers or the clients in a network. So that is the client server. And lastly, we have the peer-to-peer design. This network design is commonly used by individuals in homes wherein all computers in a network share and support one another by sharing each other's information and hardware resources to form the network. And that is the peer-to-peer network design. And that is our lesson for today. Thank you very much for listening. God bless and enjoy learning. Thank you.